Russian diplomats is the largest diplomatic crisis levied against Russia since the Cold War. The U.S. alone is kicking out 60 Russian diplomats. President Donald Trump also ordered the closure of the Russian consulate in Seattle, like Julia mentioned. Now, many EU members announced expulsion plans, including France, Germany, and Italy. Canada, Albania, Norway, and Macedonia did the same. Iceland suspended high-level dialogue with Russia, and its leaders will not attend the Russia World Cup. And New Zealand said it will bar expelled Russian diplomats from entering the country.